Do you want to detect AC voltage without touching any wire? Today, I'll show you a very simple homemade AC line non-contact tester using just 2 transistors. Welcome back to the channel, where we build simple and useful electronics projects you can make at home. In this video, we are making an AC voltage line non-contact tester using BC547 transistors. This circuit can detect 110 volts or 220-volt AC lines without direct contact and works using a small DC battery. For this project, we need 2 cans BC547 NPN transistors, 1 LED diode, 4-volt DC battery or power supply, insulated or non-insulated copper wire, connecting wires. That's all. No resistor and no IC. Circuit connections. Step by step. First, take 2 BC547 transistors. Now solder the base pin of the first transistor to the emitter pin of the second transistor. Next, take an LED diode. Solder the negative side of the LED to the collector pin of the first transistor. Then solder the positive side of the LED to the collector pin of the second transistor. Now take some copper wire, insulated or non-insulated, and use a screwdriver to shape it into a small coil or inductor. Connect one side of this inductor to the base pin of the second transistor and leave the other end of the inductor open. This inductor will work as the sensor. Connect the positive supply to the collector pin of the second transistor and connect the negative supply to the emitter pin of the first transistor. That's it. Our circuit is complete. This circuit works on the principle of electromagnetic field detection. When the sensor coil comes close to an AC live wire, the electric field induces a small signal in the coil. This signal is amplified by the 2 transistors, and the LED turns on. When I bring the sensor coil close to an AC live wire, you can see the LED glowing. And when there is no electricity in the wire, the LED does not glow. This confirms that our AC voltage tester is working properly. Safety note: this is a non-contact tester, but always be careful while working near high voltage AC lines. If you like this simple and homemade AC line tester project, please like this video, share it with friends and electricians, and subscribe to the channel for more easy electronics projects. Comment below if you want an improved version, PCB design, or high brightness LED. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.